This presentation is about how to place a trackbar in the Windows application program, how to use the trackbar. So for that, first we have to choose the group box. I have chosen a group box and placed all the controls inside the group box. For example, the group box will look like this. So for the group box, I can give the name of the group box. So here the name of the group box is given as color and value display. Inside the group box, I have given 2 label boxes and 2 text boxes. So for the text box 2, I have chosen the multi-line property as true because it can present more number of lines. So I have chosen multi-line property as true, and I have enlarged the size of the text box. So this is a group box. Inside that I have placed 2 label boxes and 2 text boxes. I am deleting this. And the next group, and inside the next group box I have given 2 label boxes and 3 track bars. Trackbar 1, see the properties, trackbar 1, trackbar 2 and trackbar 3. So it is inside the namespace system.windows.forms.trackbar. So trackbar 1. Here it is trackbar 2 and trackbar 3. Now I am going to change the properties for the trackbar. So for the trackbar 1, I have given the maximum value as 255. Here I am assuming that these 3 track bars are displaying the colors red, green and blue. Red, green and blue. So for red, first one is red color, and for that I have set the maximum code as 255 and the tick frequency as 5. And for the second track bar, I have set the maximum value as 225 and the tick frequency as 10. And for the third track bar, I have set the maximum as 230 and the tick frequency as 15. So I am assuming these 3 track bars are red color, green and blue, and I am setting the maximum value and the frequencies. What is tick frequency means? How much I am moving the track bar is known as the tick frequency. To what extent I am moving the track bar, that is known as tick frequency. Now I am writing the coding inside the track bar. So for that, in the track bar 1.scroll event I am writing. So here the 2 text boxes are placed. For the text box 1, I am setting the back color as, this is the namespace system.drawing.color. So for this I am giving 3 arguments, that is track bar 1 value and track bar 2 value and track bar 3 value. So I am giving these 3 track bar values, that is here what is the value I have set, the maximum and the minimum values I have set. So the track bar 1 dot value and 2 dot value and 3 dot values will be passed as arguments for this namespace, and the back color will be set for this. And for the text I am displaying the 3 values, and I am, since it is a text box, I have to give 2 string. So using the 2 string, it will convert the values in the form of a string. So when I run the these 2 lines of codes are copied for track bar 2 and track bar 3. I have given the same lines of code for track bar 2 and 3. So when I run this program, I will get the output screen like this. Here these 2 are label box, text box. So by default the track bar 1, 2 and 3 are at 0 level. So when I change the track bar 2, we can get the values. A equal to 255 is the default maximum value, and red is set to 28 and green to 0 and blue to 0. So when I am extending the track bar, the red value gets changes, and at the last I am getting the red color. So like this I am getting a red color. So the red value is set to 238. Now green and blue are in the range 0, 0. So when I move the green color, note that I have given the tick frequency for green color as 15. So when I move the tick frequency, when I move the green color, So at the end I may get a green, and when I change the red, I will get a green color. So here the red value will be 150 and the green value will be 185. Now blue is at a 0th level. So when I change the blue color, I may get a blue color or rose color. So when I reduce the red, green, blue, or I will get a blue like color. So this trackbar is used to set the color value. This is one of the applications of trackbar, and also you can use the trackbar for the audio related options also. So here the chosen colors will be displayed, and the color will be set as a back color for the text box, and the values will be given in this text box. It will be displayed in this text box. So this is one of the applications of trackbar. Again, you can see the coding. So inside the coding, the back color is set to system.drawing.color. This is a namespace, inbuilt namespace. We are giving the 3 values we are choosing inside this, and we are setting it as back color, and the text is converted into, it is a 2 string. Using the 2 string, the text will be displayed in the text box 2. The same codings for trackbar 2 and trackbar 3. So by clicking the trackbar scroll event, we can write all these codings, and this is one of the applications of a trackbar. So by default it will be in a black color. So when I change it, the green value will change, or when I change this one, the blue value will change. So this will be the output of this program.